Hi everyone, welcome back to another edition of our Tech Tuesday videos. We're going to be talking about Kahoot today. I know we've talked about it in previous videos, but I've had some questions from some of you power users out there wanting to take your Kahoot to the next level. And so today we're going to be talking about creating your own Kahoot quizzes and how to do that most effectively. So without further ado, we're going to jump right in. In order to create Kahoots, first thing you have to do is open Kahoot. So once you get logged in, here is the page of Kahoots. This is what it looks like when you actually log in for the first time. It shows you this. For you to create Kahoots, you have to go to Create, which is right here. Hit the word Create, and you get started. You can choose from a quiz, a jumble, or a survey. We're going to be talking about quizzes today because that's the classic one that you see the most. And so we hit Create New. So to create a Kahoot quiz, you have to have a title and you have to have a description. So I'm going to title mine Kahoot Demo Quiz. In description, I'm just going to say demo. But for you, if you're wanting other teachers to be able to find this or other students, you want to have a description that includes all the keywords about your Kahoot. That way it's easily searchable by everyone else. Location, this is going to save in my Kahoots. Visibility, I want it to just be me. I don't want everybody to be able to see this because it's just a demo for you guys. Language, I'm going to keep it in English, but you can see here you can make a whole lot of other options for this. Credit resources, this is where you actually put in like links if you had, where you get your information from, if it didn't come directly from your head, things for other teachers to use. If this is the first time introducing a topic, I would recommend putting in an introductory video. So just create a copy of YouTube URL, paste it in there, boom, ready to go. Cover image, you can use the image library by Getty Images, or you can upload your own. I'm going to upload my own from my desktop. We're just going to post this one. Doesn't have anything to do with the quiz, but I like the pretty picture, so that's what we're going to go with. When I'm happy with all this, I hit OK, go. And I move forward with it. I've got my Kahoot demo quiz. Its description is demo. And if I needed to make any changes, I hit the pencil and I can edit my Kahoot description, or I can just start creating the questions by hitting add question and doing it one at a time. But wait, you guys are super busy teachers and you need to be able to do this more effectively. That's what I'm going to show you how to do today, how to import from a spreadsheet, how to create all of your questions at once and then import them in. So to do that, you click import from spreadsheet. If it's the first time you've ever done this, you need to go ahead and download their spreadsheet template. So click download template. It's opening up here. I go ahead and open it. Got it opened. Got it ready to go. I need to enable editing. Kahoot templates will open in Excel. They'll open in Google Sheets, and they'll open in Pages. Those are the main ones that you'll interact with. You always have to, if you're not using Excel, remember that it has to go back to the SX format to upload it. So we've got our template here. It shows you that we have a question, answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, answer 4, a time limit, and our correct answers. The question have a 95 character max. The answers have a 60 character max. But they've got they've got a demo question in here. Which spreadsheet tools can read and export this sheet? Excel, Google Docs, Numbers, LibreOffice. They gave you a 20-second time limit, and they said answer choices 1, 2, 3, and 4 were correct. So we'll type our own questions in just so that I can show you how to upload. So what is 2 times 2? Question mark. First answer is 4, 2, 0, 6. I'm going to give them 30 seconds. These are your time limit options, 5, 10, 20, 30, 60, 90, or 120 seconds. And answer choice 1 was correct. Put in another question. What is 10 times 10? Answer choice 1. We're going to go with 0, 20, 100, and 50. Give them 30 seconds again. And this time the answer choice 3 was the one that's correct. Show you what happens if you type in too many characters. I'm just going to type in random characters into this box. Got over 90. Oh no, it's turned red. I have too many characters into. I need to type in something different, something less. Rephrase my question. So, what equation gives an answer of 4? And let's say 2 times 2. And let's say I chose also 4 times 1 and 3 times 2 and 3 times 1. Getting them 30 seconds again. This time I have 2 answer choices that are correct. They can choose either 2 times 2 or 4 times 1. I don't care which one they choose, but I want to make sure both of them are correct. So I do 1. I have to separate it with a comma, and 2. And so now I have my questions. You would continue filling this out till you're happy, till you had all your questions. For the demo feature, I'm done with this, so I'm going to save it. I recommend saving it as something that's easy for you to remember when you go to upload. So I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to save this as Kahoot demo quiz, just like I called my Kahoot. I can exit out now that I have it saved. It takes me back to the Kahoot feature. This time I hit select file, go to my desktop, Kahoot demo quiz, hit open, upload it. Uploading, I can hit continue. Now I have a successful upload. I've got all my questions. If I need to make any edits to my questions, time limit wise, I can choose it here, or I can hit the pencil icon to make an edit. Let's say I needed to make sure, okay, I did give both of these is correct, great. Ooh, I want to add a picture to this. I can hit my image library, look at all these free ones. Not all of them are free. If they have a locked icon next to them, it means you need to upgrade to Kahoot Pro. I wouldn't recommend it. It's not really worth it. Just search for a picture beforehand and save it to your computer, and then you can upload it that way. Or I can always add a YouTube link. YouTube links are cool. If you want a video to go with a question, go ahead and find the video on YouTube, copy the URL, paste it into the YouTube link box. And then if you have a specific time that you want to start it at, you can do your start at settings and then start at end at settings. Remember, this is in seconds, so if your YouTube video, you're starting at a minute 20, you have to make sure you start it at 80 seconds. And once you're done, you hit add, and then you would have it in there. That's about it for editing questions. You hit next when you're ready. You hit save when you've gotten all your questions in and you're happy with it. You can edit it if you need to make more changes. You can preview it if you want to see what your kids are going to look like. You can go ahead and play it if you just created it and you're ready to go, or you can share it with everyone else. Right now, I'm just going to hit I'm done. It is now saved to my Kahoots right here. It says Kahoot Demo Quiz. It's visible only to me. When I'm ready, I can have my kids play it. I just hit play, and it'll open just like any other Kahoot that you've found. That's it for this video. I know it was very fast. It was down and dirty for how to create Kahoots. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Gerald or myself. We'd be glad to walk you through this at a much slower pace, one-on-one with you. Like I said, the only reason I did this video was because it was suggested me, how do I make Kahoots? So please, if you have comments, you have questions, or you have topics for future videos, reach out to us. We greatly appreciate the feedback, and it allows us to create content for you guys that works for you and gives you something neat to learn about. But like I said, that's all I have for this video. So thanks. Have a great rest of whatever day it is that you watch the video.